The Oshkosh M1070 super heavy 8x8 tractor with a low bed trailer is a machine engineered for the toughest conditions. Its mission to navigate slippery forest roads, especially after heavy rains, is a testament to its design and the skill of its driver. Here is a detailed description of how this powerful vehicle handles such challenging situations. As the M1070 approaches a particularly treacherous stretch of the forest road, the driver takes a moment to assess the situation. The recent rainfall has transformed the dirt path into a slick, muddy challenge. The driver engages the M1070's advanced all-wheel drive system. This 8x8 configuration ensures that power is distributed evenly to all 8 wheels, maximizing traction. The vehicle's onboard computer continuously monitors wheel spin and automatically adjusts power distribution to prevent any wheel from losing grip entirely. With a gentle touch on the throttle, the M1070 begins to move forward. The driver carefully modulates the throttle to avoid excessive wheel spin, which could dig the tires deeper into the mud. The vehicle's large, robust tires, designed with deep treads, bite into the slippery surface, finding purchase where smaller, less capable vehicles would falter. As the M1070 progresses, the driver encounters sections where the mud is particularly deep or where hidden roots and rocks add to the challenge. Using the vehicle's high ground clearance, the driver navigates over these obstacles, maintaining a slow and steady pace. The suspension system absorbs the shocks from the uneven terrain, keeping the trailer stable and the load secure. The narrowness of the forest road requires precise steering. The driver uses the M1070's responsive steering system to carefully guide the massive vehicle through tight spots. Every turn of the wheel is deliberate, ensuring that the trailer follows the tractor's path without veering off into the underbrush or getting caught on obstacles. On inclines, the slippery conditions make traction even more critical. The driver employs the vehicle's low-range gearbox to provide additional torque, ensuring that the M1070 can power up the slopes without losing momentum. On descents, the engine brake and service brakes are used in tandem to maintain a controlled speed, preventing the vehicle from sliding uncontrollably down the slope. In particularly challenging sections where the mud is almost impassable, the driver can engage additional traction aids, such as the Central Tire Inflation System, CTIS. This system allows the driver to adjust tire pressure from within the cab, increasing the tire's contact area with the ground and improving grip in the mud. For the most difficult sections, the driver relies on spotters who provide guidance from outside the vehicle. Using hand signals and radios, the spotters help the driver navigate around the worst hazards, ensuring that the M1070 remains on the best possible path through the mud. For the most difficult sections, the driver relies on spotters who provide guidance from outside the vehicle. Using hand signals and radios, the spotters help the driver navigate around the worst hazards, ensuring that the M1070 remains on the best possible path through the mud. After a meticulous and skillful drive, the M1070 successfully navigates the slippery forest road. The powerful engine, advanced drive systems, and the driver's expertise combine to overcome the challenging conditions. The vehicle emerges from the forest road, mud-covered but triumphant, ready to continue its mission. The Oshkosh M1070 Super Heavy 8x8 tractor with a low-bed trailer is designed to handle the toughest conditions, including slippery forest roads. Its advanced features such as the all-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, robust suspension, and traction aids, combined with the skill and experience of the driver, enable it to overcome the most challenging terrains. This vehicle is a true workhorse, demonstrating exceptional capability and resilience in the face of nature's most formidable obstacles. The journey of heavy tractors, conquering forest roads for wood transportation and road construction. In the vast realm of heavy machinery, few vehicles command as much respect and admiration as the heavy tractors used for forestry and road construction. These mechanical giants, characterized by their immense power, durability, and advanced engineering, are designed to tackle the most challenging terrains and demanding tasks. Among them, the Oshkosh M1070 Super Heavy 8x8 tractor stands out as a paragon of excellence, built to overcome the harshest conditions with ease. This narrative delves into the characteristics and functions of heavy tractors like the Oshkosh M1070 and recounts the arduous journey of transporting wood through a forest fraught with difficult roads, steep slopes, and adverse weather conditions, all in the service of road construction. Characteristics and functions of heavy tractors. Heavy tractors, especially those used in forestry and road construction, are built to endure and perform under extreme conditions. The Oshkosh M1070, for example, is a super heavy 8x8 tractor designed to handle the toughest tasks. Its primary characteristics include power and torque. Equipped with a formidable engine, the M1070 generates immense power and torque, essential for hauling heavy loads and navigating steep inclines. This power is crucial for overcoming the resistance of mud, snow, and other challenging surfaces. All-wheel drive, 8x8 configuration. The 8x8 drivetrain ensures that power is distributed to all 8 wheels, maximizing traction and stability. This feature is particularly vital in slippery and uneven terrains, where maintaining grip is essential. High ground clearance. The M1070's high ground clearance allows it to traverse obstacles like rocks, fallen trees, and deep ruts without getting stuck. This is a key attribute for vehicles operating in forests and off-road environments. Robust suspension system. A durable suspension system absorbs the shocks and impacts from rough terrain, ensuring that the vehicle remains stable and the load secure. This system is designed to handle the additional weight of heavy loads, such as timber or construction materials. Traction control systems. Advanced traction control systems help manage wheel slip and ensure optimal performance in muddy or icy conditions. These systems automatically adjust power distribution to the wheels, enhancing the vehicle's ability to maintain forward momentum. Central Tire Inflation System, CTIS. The CTIS allows the driver to adjust tire pressure from within the cab, increasing the tire's contact area with the ground to improve traction in soft or slippery conditions. Durable construction. Heavy tractors are built with reinforced frames and components to withstand the stresses of heavy loads and rough terrain. The materials used are designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability. Advanced control and navigation systems. Modern heavy tractors are equipped with sophisticated control systems that aid in navigation and operation. These may include GPS, automated driving aids, and enhanced communication systems for coordinating with support teams. The journey begins. Our journey starts deep within a dense forest. The mission is clear: to transport a substantial load of wood from the heart of the forest to a construction site where new roads are being built. The recent heavy rains have rendered the forest paths into slippery, muddy challenges, and the weather forecast predicts more rain and strong winds. The Oshkosh M1070, with its lobed trailer, is prepared for the task ahead, showcasing its impressive capabilities right from the outset. Navigating through the forest. The initial stretch of road is relatively manageable. The driver, a seasoned professional with years of experience, expertly modulates the throttle to prevent wheel spin and maintain traction. The vehicle's all-wheel drive system distributes power efficiently, ensuring a steady and controlled start. The further we venture, the more challenging the path becomes. The forest floor is a mix of deep mud, hidden rocks, and fallen branches. The M1070's high ground clearance and robust suspension come into play, allowing it to navigate over and around these obstacles. The driver's skill is evident as he reads the terrain, anticipating changes and adjusting his approach accordingly. Every maneuver is calculated, every turn precise, ensuring that the vehicle remains on course and the trailer stable. steep inclines and declines. The journey soon presents its first major test, a steep uphill climb. The recent rains have turned the incline into a slick, muddy slope. The M1070's engine growls as it engages the low-range gearbox, providing the necessary torque to tackle the ascent. The traction control system ensures that the wheels maintain grip, preventing any loss of momentum. Slowly but surely, the Heavey Tractor inches its way up the slope, the driver maintaining a delicate balance between power and control. Reaching the top is a moment of triumph, but the journey is far from over. The path now descends sharply, and controlling the descent is just as challenging as the climb. The driver uses a combination of engine braking and service brakes to maintain a steady, controlled speed. The suspension system absorbs the shocks from the uneven ground, keeping the trailer stable and the load secure. The descent is navigated with the same precision and care as the ascent, highlighting the driver's expertise and the vehicle's capabilities. The driver engages the central tire inflation system, lowering the tire pressure to increase the contact area and improve traction. This adjustment is crucial in maintaining grip on the slippery surface. The vehicle's advanced control systems monitor and adjust power distribution to prevent wheel slip, ensuring steady progress despite the adverse conditions. The driver relies on his experience and the vehicle's advanced systems to read the terrain and make split-second decisions. The crossing is a test of both the vehicle's capabilities and the driver's skill. The driver positions the M1070 carefully, ensuring that the tires are aligned with the logs. The driver maintains a steady speed, using precise throttle control to avoid sudden movements that could destabilize. The final stretch of the journey sees the M1070 emerging from the forest, battered but unbroken. The vehicle and its load are covered in mud, a testament to the challenges overcome. The path ahead is still treacherous, but the worst is behind us. The driver's skill, the vehicle's capabilities, have seen us through the most difficult parts of the journey.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on, second.
The journey of the Oshkosh M1070 super heavy 8x8 tractor through the forest, navigating slippery roads, steep inclines, declines, and adverse weather conditions, showcases the remarkable capabilities of modern heavy machinery and the expertise of those who operate them. This tractor is engineered to perform in the most challenging environments, proving essential in the transportation of materials crucial for road construction. The story of its passage through difficult terrain underscores a combination of engineering excellence, driver skill, and teamwork that is critical to overcoming nature's toughest obstacles.